Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Savana Cargo. The GMC Savana, all the cargo you can carry, a price you can afford. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, traction control, front wheel independent suspension, 4-wheel disc brakes, keyless entry, low tire pressure warning, cruise control, trip computer, power door locks, power windows. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.